Pump.fun is making over $80 million a month, and research shows that 60% of the gamblers using the platform lose money on their ventures, and approximately 3% of the users manage to attain a profit of $1,000. And this instantly got me thinking, is this sustainable? I don't think so, and I actually think that Kaspa has a fair chance at surpassing Solana. Obviously, pump.fun isn't the only thing going for Solana, but it is bringing in a lot of new people to the network, because these very few successful meme coin traders are posting their results on TikTok, IG, YouTube, and getting more retail to jump into the Solana pump.fun game as well. And to be able to trade the meme coins on the pump.fun, you need to own the actual Solana, which means that the retail will first go and buy the Solana to later use it to trade on pump.fun. But as I mentioned, the majority of people are losing money, and eventually people will grow tired of it when there are no more people to screw with the rug pulls. And I will get into the other aspects of Solana later on, but I'm mentioning this pump.fun story because I believe that pump.fun has severely helped Solana to attain new heights, because it's bringing in retail, making them buy Solana to later lose it on pump.fun. And the funny thing is that the developers of pump.fun are supposedly trying to sell all of their Solana as well. So am I saying this because I lost a couple of $100 myself trading these meme coins? Maybe. But pump.fun isn't the only thing that is damaging the reputation of Solana. You see, Solana is heavily centralized to early investors. Private people or corporations that got the chance to buy Solana at a very cheap price, most of them got it sub 30 cents, and only 1.6% of the total supply was sold off to the public, which means that the majority holdings of Solana are in institution wallets or insider wallets, and the public Solana community basically got nothing when you compare it to what the VCs were able to get at like 4 to 20 cents. And Solana in essence has an unlimited supply with a fixed inflation rate. However, the inflation rate and supply mechanism could be altered through governance, and the governance is utilizing proof of stake, which means that the ones who are staking the most amount of coins are the ones that have the most to say about what is to happen with the project. So this means that the retail community that got to share 1.6% of the supply of Solana are severely underrepresented when it comes to the governance and the security of the network. And the problem with proof of stake is that the majority of people are staking through their exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and not setting up nodes individually themselves, which means that the Binance staking pool or node is becoming extremely powerful if a lot of people stake using the Binance platform, which is also a threat to security and decentralization. And I believe that it's really sad to see these horrendous fundamentals, because Solana actually has kinda good technology with cheap and fast transaction, apart from the half a dozen outages, which could also be a problem in the future if the outages persist. Because for example, we're coming into a bull run. At the peak of the bull run, when a large amount of people are using the network to send transaction, what were to happen if the Solana network were to go down another 10 hours? It would just be catastrophic. And I mean, since its launch in 2020, Solana has had a combined 60 hours of outages, which is not secure and not reliable. So it's fast and cheap, but it's not reliable. Now, if you have watched my channel before, you probably know that I'm a big believer in Kaspa, and I believe that it actually has a chance to dethrone Solana. First of all, like Solana, Kaspa also has very good technology with fast and cheap transaction, utilizing a BlockDAG system, which is still proof of work, which means that the network is being secured by miners, individual miners across the world, and not by the one who has the most Kaspa. And Kaspa is the world's first BlockDAG, which is a system that is made to make the blockchain highly scalable. And if you have nothing to do after this video, I highly suggest that you go and research the founders and the technology about Kaspa, because it's actually really interesting, if you're a nerd, that is. And also, Kaspa was fair launched, which means that there were no sale being offered to early investors to get Kaspa as a super cheap price, it was all fair launched. So everyone got a chance to mine Kaspa from the beginning. Now there have been some controversy regarding this topic because of course the initial developer team mined a lot of Kaspa in the beginning, but so did Satoshi when he launched Bitcoin. And how would it look for the Kaspa network if the developers who developed the system didn't help to secure the network from the beginning? That just wouldn't be a good picture. But the amount of Kaspa given to the early miners is next to nothing when you compare it to the amount pre-allocated to the early investors of Solana. And also Kaspa has a fixed supply. There can't be more than 28.7 billion Kaspa, I believe it is. And the reward given to the miners helping to secure the network is being halved every single year. For instance, most of you probably know that Bitcoin is being halved every 4 years, but with Kaspa it's every year. There's a halving occurring. And the block reduction is being reduced, I believe it is 5.6% every single month. So it's happening gradually throughout the year and not a 50% decrease at a single time. And with Kaspa you can also deploy your own tokens, and so far you're not completely getting screwed every time you try to make a meme coin purchase. Now, I will never be talking about a specific meme coin on this channel, but I just wanted to take that contrast because when you go to buy meme coins on Solana on pump.fun, there's like a 99% chance that you get screwed or rug pulled. And so far, I've not seen the same with Kaspa, with emphasis on so far. But the best aspect of all is that Kaspa was fair launched, meaning that there are no big entities sitting on a huge amount of Kaspa being able to dump it on the community, which is a threat to Solana and its community. And let's bring the market cap of the two projects into this as well, because Kaspa is currently sitting at a $4 billion market cap and Solana is sitting at a $110 billion market cap. And we just discussed that there are substantial VC holdings in Solana and there are basically no large VC holdings in Kaspa. And Kaspa is sitting at $4 billion market cap and Solana is sitting at $110 billion market cap. And what I'm trying to portray is that Kaspa is at this low market cap, but there's basically no risk. Of course, there's always risk. Market events can occur. There's always someone trying to manipulate the market, but the risk to reward ratio is severely better with Kaspa than Solana. Hopefully that is understandable. Now, am I saying this to pump my own bags? Yes, partially. But I also believe in the project, and Kaspa does not have a pre-allocated portion of the supply meant for marketing, so it is up to us, the community, to spread the word about Kaspa. So that's partially also why I'm doing this video.
Just very quickly, if you want to trade easily using futures up to 50 times leverage with Kaspa, then sign up on BTCC using the link down below in the description, because you get up to $10,055 in welcome rewards, and you don't have to do any KYC, you stay completely anonymous. And as you can see, you can do some trades here. I actually took a trade this morning because these setups are really golden. When you see the market is dropping and you see that it's dropping severely in a short amount of time, and when you see these W-shaped formations at the bottoms, then you can be pretty sure to enter along. So that's what I did. I also took the knowledge of looking at the liquidation chart, so I can see that the liquidations were really building up above, and this means that the market maker is losing out on his capital if he doesn't go up there and reclaim the liquidation points. So on that premise, I entered along with a 50 times leverage on Kaspa. I'm probably gonna close it out soon. That's a just quick tip as well. If you see the market dropping, watch out for the W's or the double bottoms, whatever you want to call it, and take along from there.
Now, I recently created my own Discord channel. Please join it. It's just supposed to be a nice hangout space, discuss other cryptocurrency, show trades that we've done, and just create a nice hangout space. And I won't be charging you for a Discord channel like some other YouTubers do. However, what I will do is promote the Tangem hardware wallet, which is a really great wallet where you can store your own cryptocurrency safely away from hackers. And they currently have the Kaspa cards. Now, these are limited edition, so if you want the limited edition Kaspa cards, get them before they're gone, because I'm not sure if they're gonna bring them back. But anyways, if you use the code Tashi, you get 10% off your purchase, so remember to use the code. But I'll leave the two links down below in the description. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.